Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I hope that you are playing this etude and learning something from changing position rapidly and dealing with a grace note, which is really interesting. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I invite you to visit my website where you can find out more information about me as a teacher, as a performer, and I hope that I can help you with violin lessons. Link is down below. So let's get connected and let's see if I can help. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.